Can't start your game because of the Libmodplug.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and let's solve this library conflict so you can get back to what matters. As we prepare to fix libmodplug manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This DLL file is a powerful library for playing modular music, emodi, S3M, IT. It provides the synthesis logic needed to render tracker-based music in games and specialized media players on the Windows OS. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This error indicates a missing or corrupted file specifically within your gaming software environment. I suggest you reinstall the latest version of your gaming software to allow the installer to restore the Libmodplug.dll automatically. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the libmodplug file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Manual intervention with the libmodplug.dll is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older vulnerable ones. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining the libmodplug. If this fix repaired the libmodplug dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.